So hello friends, and welcome back to German Bear Adventures channel, and today we are in the Schweiz, or Switzerland, at Rheinfall, and what a sight it is, as you can see. The sights and the sounds. Enjoy. Can you see the rainbow, friends? Nice rainbow right in the middle of the screen now. Maybe you can see it. I hope you can. There's the power of water, my friends. We're going down there, friends. Right to ground zero. So friends, this is just about ground zero. We're almost there. I certainly do have a new respect for the movement and the force of water. What a beautiful natural sight. I hope you like it. Okay friends, so this is where it all comes out. The Rhine River in all its glory. nice observation platform. Right in the nice sunshine. Okay friends, time to meet it head on. I feel like I'm moving. I feel like I'm moving. On the platform now. Let's take a look at the calmer side. Yeah, relatively more calm. Well friends, I think you may have seen almost enough water for now. I hope you enjoyed it. So friends, behind that mist are two boats. I can just see them. You may just be able to see them. One on camera, a yellow one. Very interesting. Give you some perspective here on the sides. That's called fighting the tide. I do believe. And only for so long. There you go, he's kicked off quickly. Blown by the waves, not by the wind.
Wir fahren ja wieder zurück. Ich weiß aber nicht, so lange kann ich alles weit wegmachen, aber eine halbe Stunde. Dann haben wir gut blöd. Lass es sein, über die halbe Stunde bleiben.
Danke. And friends, now we look back on where we came from. You can see the castle on top of the hill, on top of the greenery, all those trees right there. So the other side of the river. That's what it looks like from here.
Den meinst du gerade den? Nein. Was ist das? Ja.
Ja, ich weiß.
I think the water is a little more calm here, friends. I can handle that. Friends, I don't know if you can see the fish in the water. There's two gaps where the river can flow through. So it's all fresh water, fresh moving water. So friends, I hope you're enjoying the video. I want to thank my friend Sebastian for driving, but he doesn't drive back because he's having a cool one with me right now. Indeed. So my friend, beer partner, and we're enjoying a Falcon beer lager hell made in Switzerland. Let's take a first taste.
Oh God.
What do you think?
Let's go.
I do like it. I don't know about you.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's cold. It's
It might be too exporty for you.
It's a bit too exporty for my taste, but it does a job.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate.
Dankeschön.
We didn't mention this is the Rheinfall.
So okay friends, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you have not yet. Stay safe, stay well. Dankeschön, auf Wiedersehen, and cheers.